I just had the pleasure of going to Sam's Club and it took me 2 hours. This time it wasn't because of the long lines, it's because I had to carefully choose what I wanted. And a lot of the shelves are coming back, so they are restocking things. And since we're talking about restocking, I found this interesting product. It's called Veggie Hemp Bowls with turmeric almond butter dressing, sweet potatoes, kale, chickpeas, and hemp seeds over rice, cauliflower, and red quinoa. When you open the box, they look like this. They're all individually wrapped. They have the individual film on there. It makes it a super duper easy dinner or a lunch. And I mean, some of you I've noticed even eat this kind of products for breakfast. So if you're in a real hurry, a veggie hemp bowl is probably the answer. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So come and see how this all turns out. This is just a simple product review that I found at Sam's Club today. Thank you.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
It's got 14 grams plant-based protein. It's vegan and it's gluten-free. Did I mention it was vegan? Okay, I did. All right, each bowl is 380 calories. That seems like a lot, but maybe it's nutritious enough to fill the need. 17 grams of fat, 1.5 trans fat, cholesterol no, 310 milligrams of salt, that's pretty good. Total carbohydrates 47 grams, dietary fiber 10, total sugars 9, 14 grams of protein. It has calcium 10%, iron 25% or 4.8 milligrams, potassium 820 milligrams. Joy! She's hungry. Okay, so it's made with cauliflower, chickpea, red quinoa, sweet potatoes, kale, water, red onions, almond butter, almonds, lemon juice concentrate, all hemp seeds, olive oil, ginger, cane sugar, and all this stuff will be in the very front, and you'll already seen that. The instructions are real easy. Cook from frozen, cut a slit in the film, throw it in the microwave. Okay, place it in the microwave for 3 minutes, carefully remove film, gently mix it, add an additional 1 or 2 minutes until either throughout, let it stand a minute because it's going to be really hot. Toss, mix with a fork prior to eating. And of course, cooking times vary. It says cooking times may vary. Fully cooked product must reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Okay, so, okay, put in the hole, basically do this. Stick it in the microwave on high, 3 minutes. Super easy, can't beat that. I'm not doing a product review on this, I just want to tell you about this stuff. This is called Naked Mighty Mango. If you like mango, this is an incredibly delicious drink. It's a little on the expensive side. You can find it in the fruit section at Sam's Club, but delicious. I would love to learn how to make this myself. It looks like it's got apples, mangoes, and oranges. That's probably why I like it, because I like all those fruits. Okay, so we'll see in a few minutes and then show you what the next step is. Okay, so we're just finishing up on the 3 minutes, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take it off. If I look rough around the edges, this pandemic has been a wonderful excuse for not to shave. So I've been enjoying myself. Anyway, let's get back to it. Alright, so then you pull the bowl out and you take the cover off. Now you gotta do that carefully because it's hot. I got some bananas today. Okay. And the instructions say to mix the contents, and you might have to put it in for another little bit. But I'm telling you, it's plenty hot. So I'm gonna skip the additional instructions. So let's see what it tastes like. Really, really hot. Got like a fruity aftertaste. I think this would be an acceptable meal, but I don't think I would go out and eat this every single time. I mean, every day. You know, some people, they'll take like 50 of these things and stick them in their fridge, and that's all they'll eat all month long. I'm not going to say it's like apple pie or some of the other meals that I've made. It's acceptable, and that's really what's important. So if you're working a long day, like I'm going to be working in the garden today, leveling soil, this is going to be a nice meal. It's got 14 grams of protein. It's going to give me the protein I need to do the job I need to do, and it's easy. Well, thanks a lot for watching. And of course, we always appreciate you watching and joining us in our videos. This would be a lot better if this was tequila, but no tequila in the house today. Bye-bye now. Mom, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Do it again.
Goodbye.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.